name is Ricky Rainforest, and today we're going to go to the petting zoo. We're going to meet some extremely dangerous animals and try not to get killed. Right, so we're here in this petting zoo called the Kinderboerderij. Very weird place, but right here is the owner of this petting zoo. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Tell me a bit about this place.
It's a petting zoo.
I hear there's a lot of goats, very dangerous goats. Can you tell me more about those?
Well, one of them bit my legs off, and that's why I'm using this.
Crocky. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. This man, his legs got chopped off by a goat, so we're gonna try and find some goats in this park so that I don't know, we got pet them or something. It's a petting zoo, so right, let's go.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Would you like to enter?
Yes.
Can you show me your ticket? Hey, I'm sorry, sir, but you need to show me your ticket.
I don't need no ticket.
Yes,
Get
you
out
do.
of my way.
I think you do.
Get out of my way.
No, I'm supposed to guard this door.
Oh, I don't have a ticket.
Well, then you're supposed
Can I
to
go?
get it. No, because you're supposed to get a ticket. You're supposed to buy a ticket online.
Fine.
Go-
I'll buy a ticket.
Right. That's right. Oh boy, lunchtime.
Right. So now that the arsehole is gone, we can get in. Now these animals are very dangerous. We're trying to be very careful right now. Yeah. Right. See? They're nice. They're very dangerous. We'll maybe go outside. Try and pet some more of them. These are some close-up shots. Fierce goats. Crikey! Look at that. It's a tiger. Tiger, look. It's a tiger. Very dangerous animal. Appears to be running away. I'm gonna try and touch it. Come on. Crikey! 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 Jesus Christ! There was a tiger! He attacked me, look! He attacked me! Well, there's no wounds, but he attacked me. It's extremely dangerous. Guys, don't ever go to petting zoos without the proper protection. These animals are extremely dangerous and can kill you in an instant, right? So keep very careful. What we're gonna do now is observe some more peaceful animals. Good. I'm done, man. Whew. Crikey. Guys, this is a guinea pig. We rarely see those in the wild. That's why here in the petting zoo. They're also, they don't come out very often here, so it's very, very rare to see one active. You see, he's enjoying a nice bit of think that's shit or something. It's just food. I thought it was shit. He was eating his own shit or something. But yeah, it's very interesting animal. So if we now move on to the rabbits. It's right now, it's rabbit hunting season, so they keep them here in this cage. They don't seem to be out right now. You see, this one is named Poop. I don't know why. But because they poop a lot. Well, anyway, yeah. So that's basically all the, all the rodents in this area. Well, if you look right here, crikey, it's a biggie, isn't it? It's a big son of a bugger. It's a pig, a very big pig. He's enjoying some nice hay. It's what they like eating the most. And also, you know, human ass, but, yeah, there's not much to say other than they're very tasty. Oh, look at him. Oh, crikey, it's a biggie.
Well, that was a lovely lunch. Wait, where's the bloke gone? Oh, crikey!
Look at these buggers. See? Nice. Wish I looked that nice.
Oi! You haven't paid, have you?
What?
You haven't paid, have you? Free ticket!
Paid? I haven't paid.
Give me and show me a ticket.
What ticket?
Your ticket, you're supposed to give me a ticket and then give it back, so you crap. You ain't got a ticket, have you? Give me
No.
a ticket now.
I don't
Now.
have a ticket.
You're having a ticket. You don't have a ticket.
No.
Want me to get a manager with me?
You know why? Because this should be free. You know, admiring these beautiful animals. And I want to speak to your manager as well. Because these animals are extremely dangerous. They're way too dangerous for this park.
Well, then they're supposed to be took care of.
Yes.
Tick
Let's go and see the manager. But I
But
think
that costs money.
there's one problem. I think he's dead. He's dead.
What? No,
I
he's
think.
not. No.
Yeah, look, come on. Come on. Right, gonna take it over from the camera crew here. So you say he's still alive?
Yes,
The manager's
he's still alive.
Oh, I see, he's dead. Look.
Why,
That's
he's
him.
not dead.
Yeah,
he's
he's
just
dead.
taking a nap.
He's dead.
He's just
Look
taking
at
a
him.
nap.
He's dead.
Look, he's just.
He's dead. Look.
But no,
Feel
he's
his pulse.
not
He's dead. He's
I cannot feel any. He's just taking a very
him. Hey.
deep sleep.
dead. Oi.
Oh,
Oi.
he'll be just fine.
Oi.
He says you need to get the fuck out of here.
Oi. You see, he's dead.
What are you saying?
Fucking dead.
Yeah, you need to get the fuck out of here.
Right. Right.
Bye.
I'll fuck
Shut-
off. I'll go. I'll go.
Better
Goodbye.
get out of here.
Goodbye.
Get out.
Goodbye.
Get out. Get out.
Crikey. Crikey. This guy's fucking crazy. Right, this was the first episode of Ricky Rainforest. I don't really know what happened. The park is probably going to be closed in like 5 minutes because the manager is dead. Or I don't know what I'm going to do now. I just hope you enjoyed this first episode of Ricky Rainforest. Next week, we're going to go and in the ocean to catch sharks. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Right, see you then. Goodbye.